Hello and salam sejahtera. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Karif Huzail from Sabah College, Form 4 Mutiara. Welcome to my cool site. And today I'm going to walk you through about my presentation, which is the nutrition and the human digestive system. Let's get right into the contents, shall we? Alright, so when it comes to nutrition, you would need a healthy and balanced diet in order to achieve it. And here is a healthy diet chart. Everybody needs a healthy diet. If not, we would end up with health hazards, for example, obesity. Studies have shown that exercising only plays 20% of the role in losing weight, and the other 80% is based on what you eat every day. And that is very important for us. Okay, other than that, fiber is also important for your gut. It acts as a median to smoothen our bowel movement. And let's move on. So this is the pyramid chart for the diet chart for the diabetes mellitus patients, and this is this description for it basically, and this is the chart for obese people. Consume more whole grains, fruits and vegetables basically. And as this is the diet for the cardiovascular disease patients, and this is the diet for cancer patients. Okay, let's move on to the human digestive system. So human digestive systems, there are tons of negativity caused by obesity. Like, one of the main problems people face based on the human digestive system is probably obesity. It's like common, very common, you see it everywhere. And this is as common as they get because people tend to eat more than their body could take. And if they eat more than their body could take, it would produce more and more fat to support the body. I mean, yeah, you get the point. But yeah, these are the ways that you could do to avoid obesity, which is first exercising and having a strict diet management. This requires determination, of course, time management, yes, strong willpower, pain, and hard work. And yes, do this if you're determined only. And the alternative way, is gastric bypass. This requires surgery. However, if I were to recommend, I recommend you to take the natural way of exercising and strict diet management, because there are a lot of side effects if you were to take the gastric bypass. Here are some of them. And you also need a lot of fiber because it stimulates peristalsis, absorbs and expels toxic substances, add beneficial bacteria in large intestine, regulates absorption of glucose, especially diabetes mellitus patients. Do keep in mind that high intake of water will allow your feces to smoothen and, get out easily. And yeah, that's basically it. And here are the questions that were given to me by my teacher to answer. And here are all of them, basically. And yes, if you want to check my Google site, I'll be leaving the link down below in the description. That's all for me. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum. Bye.